Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting power and software ready. Charge the Surface Pen and update your iPad to the latest iPad OS so Bluetooth behaves predictably. Once done, open Settings, tap Bluetooth, and keep the page visible. Next, press and hold the removable top button on the Surface Pen for about 7 seconds until its LED or indicator starts blinking. This forces the pen into pairing mode. You do this because iPad detects Bluetooth peripherals only when they advertise. On the iPad, watch the other devices list. The Surface Pen typically appears as a generic Bluetooth stylus or by name. Tap the device name to initiate pairing and accept any on-screen prompts. Do this promptly because pairing windows can time out. After the iPad reports connected, test the pen in Notes or a drawing app. Try single taps, swipes, and pressure if the app supports it. If touch input responds but pressure doesn't, the pen may function only as a basic stylus on iPad. Finish by closing Settings and using the pen across apps to confirm latency and feature support. Some Surface Pen features may not work on iPad. If pairing fails, restart your iPad and repeat the pairing sequence. This clears transient Bluetooth conflicts. Make sure Bluetooth on other nearby devices is off to avoid interference. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle airplane mode for 5 seconds, then re-enable Bluetooth. This often resets the radio and resolves stuck pairing states, so you can try pairing again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.